Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to edit PDF in SmallPdf. So go to official SmallPdf website, go to edit section, choose the file you want to edit. The PDF file, for example, I have this one. You will redirect it to this page. So in this page, just you have different options here. You can add a text, for example, from here. You can add a text. You can add a color drag for pencil. You can highlight in your text, for example, choose this one. You can make this highlight to make a key in your information. You can edit a text from here. Just wait from this section. When you click edit a text, you can edit and delete or add new things on this text. So, and you have this section of title, add the text, click this one and make this one, insert your text from here. You can insert any text, for example, this one. You can add your text from this section. You have signature section. You can add a signature section from here. Just wait. From here, click this icon, click on your initials, choose your type of title from here. Choose, for example, this one, click create. This is signatures, as you can see here. And then you can add also redact this option. You can make this clear black screen, as you can see here. And then you can also sign in, organize from here, different option here. This is how you can do. I have this guide for you. Don't forget, give like, share this.